Hello everyone. Today in English Braid we are going to learn poem number 5. The name of poem is Six Honest Serving Men. Poet of this poem is Rudyard Kipling. We will see first what means six honest serving men. Here honest means loyal and serving men means servants. Here how many honest serving men are there? Six. Means only here six loyal servants are there. How does the poet treat with these six honest serving men that we are going to see in this poem? We will begin with first stanza. I keep six honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. In first stanza, poet says that he keeps six honest serving men at home. Poet also says that these six honest serving men they taught him all he knew. Means what poet is saying here? He says whatever knowledge I am having that I got knowledge from these six honest serving men. These six honest serving men, they have taught poet what he knew. Students, in our house, how we keep servants in that way, this poet has kept six honest serving men, means servants at his home. What are the names of the servants? See, their names are what, why, when, how, where, and who. Students, do you know what these words are called? These words are called WH words or WH question words. These words are used to ask questions. See students, what poet says here? He says that the name of six honest serving men are what, why, when, how, where and who. And they have taught poet what he knew. For what reason we ask question? To get knowledge. Likewise, poet is telling what? Through these six honest serving men, he get knowledge. Whatever he knew, that is taught by six honest serving men. Students, do you understood first stanza? In first stanza, poet says what? He has kept six honest serving men. And their names are what, why, when, how, where and who. And whatever poet knew, that is taught by these six honest serving men. Next we will see the second stanza. I send them over land and sea, I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. In second stanza, what poet says, see, he says that he sent to the six honest serving men over land and sea. He also sent them east and west. Children, how we send our servant? Servant means nokar in Marathi. We send servant to bring some things from outside. For our some work we send. In that way, poet has sent the six honest serving men over land and sea, and also he has sent them east and west for his work. Students, do you know what is the east and west? East and west, they are the directions, and to that direction poet used to send this serving men. Poet also says that after they have worked for him, he give them all a rest. How we give rest to our servants, in that way poet has also given rest to his servants. Now we will see the third stanza. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. When poet is busy with his work, that time poet used to give the rest from 9 till 5 to his servants. Poet also allows them to rest during breakfast, lunch and tea. Poet allows them to rest during breakfast, lunch and tea because that time they are hungry. Next stanza I will read out. But different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. Poet says that different folk means what here? People. Different folk have different views, means different people have different view. Isn't it? Our views are different, our friend views are different. In that way, different folk have different views. And poet is telling, I know a person small. Is one small person I knew, and that person, that is a lady, and she keeps 10 million serving men. This lady, how many serving men she is having? 10 million, who get no rest at all. This you can see in this picture, small lady is there, and she keeps 10 million serving men. Means she is having 10 million servants. A small person, that is a lady, she is not giving rest to 10 million serving men. This lady used to keep these servants busy in their work. What does the work this lady tell to the 10 million serving men? That we'll see in the last stanza. She sends them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives. A small person, that is a small lady, she used to send her 10 million serving men abroad on her own affairs. Here, abroad means foreign country, but the meaning of sends them abroad on her own affair is send them away to other places to do her work. From the second, she opens her eyes. Here, the second means what? As soon as. Means the small person, as soon as she open her eyes, means as soon as she wake up, she used to send her servant to various places to do her work. She is not giving rest to her servants. Poet says that she sent 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives to do her work. Here, 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives. They are the servants. Means how poet keeps why, what, when, how, where, and who. These 6 on a serving men. In that way, the small person, that is called lady, she keeps 10 million serving men. In that, 1 million house are there, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives are there. Here, house, wares, and wives. These are the name of the servants of the small person. Do you understood, students? A small person, she has kept 10 million serving men. In the 10 million serving men, 1 million house are there, 2 million wares are there, and 7 million wives are there. Means house, wares, and wives, they are the servants. But house, how many are there servant? 1 million. Wares, how many servants are there? 2 million. And wives, how many servants are? 7 millions. In short, I would like to tell you summary of this poem. In this poem, poet has kept 6 honest serving men. And their names are what, why, when, how, where, and who. Poet tell what? He used to give rest to these all 6 honest serving men. Also, poet says that he knew a small person who did not give any rest to her 10 million serving men. As soon as she wake up, she sends her servants to various places to do her work. Now I am going to recite poem 6 honest serving men. I kept 6 on a serving main. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. But different folk have different views. I know a person small, she gives 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opened her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wheres, and 7 millions whys. Next, we will see the meanings of poem number 5. First, folk means people. Single apostrophe em means them. Third, send them abroad on her own affairs means send them away to other places to do her work. Today's homework, students, you have to learn and write one time these meanings in English notebook, and also you have to recite poem number 5 and you have to write one time poem number 5 in English notebook. Thank you.